time expressions associated with the 12 English tenses. Tense, time expressions, past simple. Yesterday, last week, month, year, in 1990, a long time ago, 2 days ago, when I was a child, the other day. Past continuous. At that moment, while, when at 8 o'clock yesterday, all day, all night, last week, month, year, at this time. Past perfect. Before, by the time, already, never, when, after, by, a specific time, up until then. Past perfect continuous. For since, before, by the time, all day, a long time, up until then. Present simple. Every day, week, month, always, never, sometimes, often, rarely, usually. On Mondays in the morning at 9 o'clock. Present continuous. Now at the moment, currently, at this time, today, this week, month, year, right now, present perfect, already, yet, just, ever, never, since, for, recently, lately, this week, month, year. Present perfect continuous. For, since, all day, recently, lately, how long, this week, month, year. Future simple. Tomorrow, next week, month, year, in the future, soon, later, in, a specific time, next Monday, in a week. Future continuous. At this time tomorrow, this time next week, month, year, in a week's time, at 8 o'clock tomorrow, in the future. Future perfect. By the time, before, in a specific time, in a year, by the end of this year, by tomorrow. Future perfect continuous. By, in a specific time, by this time tomorrow, for since, in a week's time, by the time. This table categorizes the time expressions associated with each tense, helping learners easily identify which tense to use based on the time references.